Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I just wanted to shoot a quick video about a success that the channel has had. We hit over 100,000 views milestone on the channel Teach Me Money Methods, which is super cool. We actually hit this milestone on January 15th of 2021. So pretty cool to start the new year off with hitting 100K on the channel. And I want to do more YouTube style type tip videos in the future, just to give you kind of a heads up on that, because I think it's important, because you guys are all on YouTube, you're watching to learn things on YouTube, and you know that there's so many channels on YouTube, and the fact that if any of you did want to take action to maybe take your business to the next level, or share some of if you're doing low content publishing and you want to share your results and maybe some tips that work for you, kind of like I'm doing on this channel, or if maybe you do other things in your business online, maybe you're enrolled in PLR Profits Academy, my premium course, and you're having successes there and you're publishing books based on private label rights, and you want to start sharing some of those tips and tricks that you're learning on a YouTube channel. Well, this is the channel, Teach Me Money Methods, that, I can say that if I can do it, you can too. There's nothing special about this channel. I'm just sharing in what I'm doing online to make money in several different ways. And I'm just kind of documenting that through creating little short tutorial videos just like this. And so this is just kind of a motivation for any of you as well. 100,000 views, there's channels that get that, in half a day, right? Or there's channels that get 1 million views a day. So this is not, it took me over a year to hit the 100,000 views mark. But, I didn't do any advertising, nothing like that. It was just all organic. And we're getting close to 3,000 subscribers. So really exciting. I just wanted to share the success and also say thank you to all my subscribers. We're almost hitting that 3,000 mark, but thank you very much for being subscribed to Teach Me Money Methods. I really, really appreciate it. And thanks for watching my videos. And for those of you that actually tune in and watch 75% or more of my videos, that really helps the algorithm, and I really appreciate that as well. So one other thing I wanted to do, I guess I'll just say that this is TubeBuddy, and TubeBuddy, I have the Star upgraded account, so you can start for a free account, and then if you have under 1,000 subscribers, you can actually get the Pro version for about $5 a month, and I think it goes up to $10 a month once you hit over 1,000 subscribers. And then I just upgraded this month to the Star version, which is their middle grade package, which is $20 a month, and it gives you access to more tools and things like that. So I'm going to go and open that up. I'm in Teach Me Money Methods inside my TubeBuddy account, and I'm going to go over to Data and Insights, and I'm going to do a health report, and you can see it's just going to freshly upload all my stats. And you can see that we're at 104,000 views now on the channel. We have 2.85 thousand subscribers. So we're about 150 subscribers away from getting the 3,000 mark. And we can also check one other thing too, which is interesting. So we've got uploads, 138 uploads, right? And so I started this uploading on this channel about October of 2018, I believe. So you can do about 14 months. So if we took 138 videos and divided that by 14 months, I've been averaging about 10 videos. I've had times where I've taken off a couple weeks and didn't post any videos at all, but in general, I'm posting about 10 videos a month in order to pull that. So it's not anything majorly special, because if you take that number and you divide that by 4, I'm only averaging 2.5 videos per week over the last over a year. So I've always had a goal of putting out, my goal has always been to put out 5 or even 6 videos per week. I always get, going and I'm like, I want to post a video Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, take Sunday off. And life happens, and you just do this takes a lot of work. It does take a lot of work and time to record the videos and edit them and then upload them and do all your titles and tags and description, and along with all the other aspects of my business, right? So the YouTube part, the ambition to post a lot of videos is there, but it certainly is a difficult task to pull off. So I will keep you posted on that, and you guys will obviously see the videos coming out. And if I'm starting to post daily, 4, 5, or 6 times a week, then that I'm on track and trying to meet my goals. So 138 videos, it seems like a lot to a lot of people, but when you look at some of the, do research on, in order to make a certain amount of money, I think it's like in order to make $1,000 a month on YouTube in general, when you're looking at CPMs and things like that, the average is actually like 600 to 1,000 videos on your channel before you start making that kind of money. And so, the good news about this channel is that it has to do with money and finance, is that, I don't have to put out quite as much content to hit some of those numbers. But you can see over here, we are having, views are up 16%. And then our subscribers, 500 in a month organically. It's the first time I ever hit that. So the channel is growing. That's what those metrics are showing. It's up 60%, which is, it's really growing a lot. And then, and then you can look down here at engagement. So you're getting a lot more, I'm getting a lot more comments, a lot more likes, and I'm getting more dislikes. As the channel grows, you're going to get people that don't like your content as well. And that's okay. So those are just some general statistics of the channel. And then last but not least, I wanted to talk about something that will be coming out soon. So I have a course coming in the next few days. I've been working hard on this course, and the course is called Small YouTube, Big Profits. And so it's not really a sales pitch or anything for the course, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I know I'll have a lot of students enrolled in the PLR Profits Academy course. This goes along with that, making money online. And then it also goes along with, even you could take PLR content and create YouTube channels with it. So this is just going to dive in the gist of this course. It's going to be on Gumroad, so it's going to be really easy to access. It's very easy to buy products on Gumroad. I really like that service, and so that's why I chose to continue to keep it on Gumroad. It may not be the fanciest platform, for the sales page and description of the course, or and then inside of it, it's not as fancy as Thinkific or Teachable, or even hosting it on my own server and website for that matter. But just knowing what I know about all those different platforms and everything, it's still worth it, because Gumroad's super fast and simple and user friendly, and I think that those are the better ingredients for success for myself. And so that's why I chose Gumroad, to stick with Gumroad. So a lot of my subscribers have purchased coloring book products from me, and also that course, the PLR Profits Academy. So you guys already are familiar with Gumroad. And the course is going to be focusing on specifically Teach Me Money methods on how I was able to create this small YouTube channel and take it from 0 subscribers all the way up to almost 3,000 subscribers in a year. And more importantly, I go over how much money I've made on the channel with various different ways. My own products, affiliate promotion, selling other people's products. Also YouTube, the channel finally got monetized, and how much money that's making, and the thousands of dollars that the channel has actually made. And if I didn't know a thing or two about online marketing, doing this for the last 10 years, then I wouldn't know how to put that small YouTube channel to work and actually make money. And so that's what this course is about. If you want a course that's not coming from somebody that makes millions of dollars on YouTube, and it's hard to wrap your mind around how realistic that actually is for you. But if you want to come from just a regular person that decided to start a YouTube tutorial channel and about a little over a year ago, and how they've been able to make over $10,000 on their channel, then this course would be for you. And then the channel just continues to keep growing, right? And so if we come over here, and if I go up to over here to Social Blade, and we type Social Blade in and go and click on this, this is just a kind of a guide. It's not an end-all be-all, but it does give you some information. And also what it can do is, especially if you're looking up your own channel, you'll know how accurate it is. And just while it's loading. So come up over here, there's my channel, 138 uploads, 2850 subscribers, almost 104,000 video views. We'll select that channel there and let that load real quick. And so it's giving me a C+, so there's nothing special about really special about what I'm doing, but if you grind it out and you take action, you will get results, and you will get these results. And that's what my course is going to be. I haven't put a price tag on the course yet, but the course, it is going to sell for a little bit on the lower end as far as pricing. I want to open this up to anybody to have a chance to purchase the course. So I'm thinking it's going to be, in the $20, $30, or $40 range, just to give you an FYI. So just one thing off the bat is, so this is accurate. It goes along with TubeBuddy, over 500 subscribers. Now this $68 right here, that is not accurate. I'm making about $250 I'm making about $250 right now per month. So if you take $250 and you divide that by the 68 that it's telling me, I'm making 6 times more than what they are telling me that social. So that's why when you go with Social Blade, you can't rely on this number, because it's just not accurate. They don't have enough data about the channel that this is actually a high CPM niche. But you can see with just the stats right here, the channel is definitely on a growth pattern right here. It's definitely growing. And so another thing, these numbers used to always be like 10 or lower, and now I'm getting 30 and 40 days right here, and these are all just natural subs coming in, no advertising or anything like that. And then another thing that I like to do is I will come over here to the future projections, and this is just kind of motivating, right? And we'll come over here and we'll actually look at the future projections. And I want to hit the 10,000 subscriber mark, and it's still saying that I'm going to do that in about the beginning of September of this year is when it's saying it's going to happen. Now this may not be accurate. It actually seems like it's growing a little slower than what it seems, but I think that it's exponential growth on YouTube, right? And so what's happening is it may not seem like it's going as fast, but every little thing counts. Even just going back to how I was saying that the subscribers used to be 10, and now I'm getting 30, 40, 20, 20 is more of my average now per day. That really helps, right? And so it can actually exponentially grow faster than what it seems like. So even though I'm at 3,000 right now, by September the tool is telling me I should be around 10,000 subscribers. Now what will that do for me? Because right now, let's pull up the calculator, I am making about $250 a month on the channel just from YouTube ads. That's not from anything else, my own products or anything. So it'll be 250 at 3,000 subscribers. So it's probably going to be multiplied times 3 at least by that time. So I should be making about $750 up to maybe $1,000 a month from YouTube ad revenue by September. So those are kind of some goals and things that I'm looking at. So anyways, I'm going to wrap the video up. I just wanted to share that milestone with you guys. Thank you so much to my subscribers. If you found value in this video and you're new, please hit that subscribe button so you can follow me along on my journey, and I'm on also the YouTube tips that I'm going to be giving out. If you can do what I've done, or better, then you're going to be on your way to making money on YouTube. So be on the lookout for my new course launching in the next few days, and I'll put a video out about it. I'll send an email to my email subscribers as well about small YouTube, big profits. Thanks for your time. Take care.